What is Bondic? Bondic is a unique adhesive that uses a liquid plastic formula to bond materials together. Unlike traditional adhesives, Bondic does not dry out and can be shaped and molded into place before curing with a UV light. This innovative product is popular among DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and hobbyists alike for its versatility and strength. How does Bondic work? Bondic works by using a specialized liquid plastic formula that is activated by UV light. To use Bondic, you simply apply the liquid plastic to the surface you want to bond, shape it to your desired form, and then use the included UV light to cure the adhesive. Once cured, Bondic forms a strong, permanent bond that can withstand a variety of stresses. Features and benefits of Bondic versatility. Bondic can be used to bond a wide variety of materials, including metal, plastic, wood, and ceramics. Reusability. Because Bondic does not dry out, excess material can be used for future projects. Precision. The liquid plastic formula allows for precise application and shaping. Strength. Bondic forms a strong, permanent bond that can withstand a variety of stresses. Water resistance. Bondic is resistant to water, making it ideal for outdoor use and applications that may be exposed to moisture. How to use Bondic. Using Bondic is easy and straightforward. Follow these steps to use Bondic. Clean the surface. Make sure the surface you want to bond is clean and free of debris. Apply Bondic. Apply the Bondic liquid plastic to the surface you want to bond. Shape and mold. Shape and mold the Bondic to your desired form. Cure with UV light. Use the included UV light to cure the Bondic adhesive. Hold the UV light close to the adhesive and shine the light for 4 to 5 seconds. Repeat until the adhesive is fully cured. Pros and cons of Bondic. Pros. Versatile and can be used on a wide variety of materials. Reusable and does not dry out. Allows for precise application and shaping. Forms a strong, permanent bond. Resistant to water. Cons. Requires a UV light to cure. May not be as effective on certain materials, such as fabrics or porous surfaces. Bondic price and where to buy. Bondic is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and 100% safe and non-toxic.